The Path to Holistic Well-Being Insights from the Maha Mangala Sutta. In the teachings of the Buddha, the Maha Mangala Sutta offers valuable insights into the path of holistic well-being. This ancient discourse highlights the factors that lead to true prosperity and fulfillment. This video will explore how the Maha Mangala Sutta guides us towards acquiring knowledge, developing skills, and cultivating moral discipline. Pursuing wide, general knowledge. The Maha Mangala Sutta teaches us that pursuing knowledge is a noble endeavor. It encourages us to seek wisdom and understanding beyond mundane matters, expanding our intellectual horizons. By gaining knowledge, we open doors to new perspectives and insights. As we broaden our knowledge, we gain a deeper understanding of the world, enabling us to make informed decisions and contribute positively to society. Developing skills in technology and handicrafts. The Maha Mangala Sutta also emphasizes the importance of developing practical skills. In today's technological age, proficiency in technology and handicrafts can empower us to navigate the challenges of our daily lives. By honing our skills, we unlock our creative potential and become resourceful individuals capable of finding innovative solutions. This not only enriches our lives but also enables us to contribute meaningfully to the world around us. Cultivating moral discipline. The Maha Mangala Sutta reminds us that true well-being is not limited to intellectual and practical pursuits. It teaches us the importance of cultivating moral discipline, which lies at the heart of a virtuous life. By following the ethical guidelines laid down by the Buddha, we create harmony within ourselves and foster positive relationships with others. This moral discipline cultivates inner peace, compassion, and a sense of interconnectedness with all beings. The teachings of the Maha Mangala Sutta provide profound insights into a well-rounded and fulfilling life. By pursuing wide, general knowledge, developing practical skills, and cultivating moral discipline, we can embark on a transformative journey towards true prosperity and holistic well-being. May these teachings inspire us to lead meaningful lives, benefiting ourselves and all beings. May peace, compassion, and joy be with us always.